Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. Today I have taken a question from number theory and it is very interesting because you can learn so many concepts of number theory which is base of Olympiad maths examination. So let's proceed. Find all positive integral solutions of xy plus yz plus zx equals to xyz plus 2. So let's take by symmetry. We assume that x is less than equal to y or less than equal to z. And I'll divide the whole equation with xyz throughout. I'll get xy over xyz, it will be 1 by z. Here 1 by x plus 1 by y equals to 1 plus 2 over x, y, z. Now when we can define this equation like this, that means x, y, z cannot be 0. X is not equal to 0, y is not equal to 0, then z is not equal to 0. So that means it will start from 1, 2, 3 because they all are positive integers. Since x, y, z are positive or greater than 0, x, y, z greater than 0, that means we can write 1 less than 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z, because from this equation we got 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is 1 plus 2 over xyz, that means certainly it is greater than 1. So next I'll take the arithmetic and geometric concept, geometric mean concept, arithmetic mean and geometric mean concept, that is AM is always greater than GM, and I am taking this for the number 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. So the arithmetic mean will be 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. For 3 is always greater than equal to their GM, the cube root of 1 over x, 1 over y, 1 over z, or this is simplified to cube root of 1 by x, y, z. Now we have taken that x is less than equal to y less than equal to z. That means 1 over x is greater than 1 over y greater than 1 over z. So from this relation I can write 1 by x, x, x cube root is your greater than equal to cube root of 1 by xyz, right? So combining this equation 1 and 2, I can write 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is less than equal to 3 times of 1 by x's cube root, or that is same as your 3 multiplies 1 by x. So previously the same 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z was greater than 1. Now it is less than 3 over x. So combining the first and third, relating 1 is less than your 3 by x, or x is less than 3. X is less than 3, that means x is equal to 1 or 2. It cannot be your 0. Now if x is equal to 1, first I am taking x is equal to 1, then the relation it was xy plus yz plus zx equals to xyz plus 2. So if I put x is equal to 1, this gives me 1 plus yz plus z equals to yz plus 2. Yz can be cancelled, both are positive. So y plus z equals to 2. And y and z are greater than 0 and their sum is 2. Both are integers. So this gives us logic that y certainly equals to 1 and z is also 1. So we got one solution immediately, that x, y, z equals to 1, 1, 1. One solution. Now if x is equal to 2, if x is equal to 2, then I'll get 1 by x, that will be 1 by 2, plus 1 by z, plus 1 by y equals to 1 plus 2 over xyz. 2 is x is 2, 2 yz, not x. This is yz. So simplifying, I am getting 1 by y plus 1 by z equals to, shifting half to right side, it will be half plus 1 over yz. So 1 over y plus 1 over z is greater than half, because half plus something. And if I'll put, this will be same logic, it can be your less than equal to 1 by y plus 1 by y, because y is this will be 1 by y plus 1 by y. This is equal to 2 by y. So this gives us half is less than 2 by y, or y is less than 4. So y is less than 4, y is already, we have taken y is 1. So here that options are y is equal to 2 or 3. So let us take y is equal to 3. That time in this equation, if I'll put z is equal to 4. And if I'll take y is equals to 4, then z is equal to 3. So for x is equal to 2, we are getting y equals to 3, z equals to 4, or for x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, and z is equal to 3. That means there is a combination of 2, 4, 3. So what will be the answers? So x, y, z will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, because x, y, z I had taken by symmetry, so it can be exchanged. X, y, z can exchange between the values, it can be rearranged, and this will be your 4, 2, 3 and 4, 3, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there will be 7 solutions for x, y, z. I hope you enjoyed the solution. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And please keep on watching. And if you like, share the video. Thank you.